Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tool bag review that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Tool Bag. Klein Tools makes a sturdy, space-efficient tool tote that works really well for anyone with many narrow-handled tools. The Tradesman Pro uses 1680 denier nylon for the bag's shell, inside and out. Well-constructed exterior pockets and a rigid body help keep the bag's shape. It's one of the top-rated tool bags on the market and tested well overall, with only a couple of minor deficiencies. Klein claims the Tradesman Pro has 40 pockets, but I counted 3, including open interior space. I found the interior pockets very deep. Each was deep enough to swallow a standard screwdriver past the end of the handle. But, due to the pocket's tight construction, they still held tools upright even with just the blades inserted. For my personal kit, I would like more short pockets. The bag has 4 on the inside and 1 outside. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Voyager 15 inches tool bag. At one time, I was a hardened nail pounder with top-of-the-line carpentry gear, but those days are long gone. Eventually, I found myself needing a cheap, utilitarian tool bag for the assortment of hand tools I use around the house. Enter the Voyager 15 inches tool bag at an unbeatably low price. The duffel-style Voyager bag is ultra-simple, 8 pockets inside, 6 outside, a metal-framed opening, and zippered closure. That's it. The bag's polyester is claimed to be durable. It's finished with unspecified ballistic nylon trim on the opening, outer seams, and handles. After about a year of pretty minor use, my 15-inch Voyager still does its job. The sewing is solid, not a single stitch has popped. But one of the exterior pockets has a small puncture, and the metal frame is starting to poke through the nylon trim at the bag's opening. The bag's polyester fabric is a single layer, and the plasticized backing is starting to flake off. As a trade-off, it is a lightweight tool bag. Light-duty materials mean less weight. At number 3, we have the Carhart 16 inches Legacy Tool Bag. Carhartt's 16 inches Legacy Tool Bag features an assortment of pockets for a wide variety of tools and a zippered top. The bag's exterior pockets are arranged in a different pattern on each side, which may seem inconsequential but should help users stay organized. Carhartt builds the bag with capable 1200 denier heavy-duty polyester, a step down in durability from 1680D, coated with Rain Defender. It transparently advises that Rain Defender coating will protect tools from light rain. The Legacy has an added layer of material on the base for abrasion resistance. An interior metal frame in its main compartment keeps the bag upright and semi-rigid. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DGL 573 Lighted Tool Bag. DeWalt's DGL 573 Lighted Tool Bag is a powerhouse, Carhart, for anyone with a multitude of small tools that need to stay organized. The bag's narrow width makes it ideal for working in tight spaces, and a unique light feature helps users find tools in low-lit conditions. When I look at the DGL 573, I think of working in a cramped, possibly unlit room where space management and precision tools are key. The bag is 15 inches long and 15 inches tall but only 8 inches deep, so you should be able to fit a lot into it but still find a handy, out-of-the-way spot for it. The LED light on the front seems more of a gimmick than anything, but why not have it? On any job site, you never fully know what's going to come in handy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee 13 inches Carpenter's Pouch. Any tool pouch you wear on a belt needs to be functional, durable, and comfortable. Milwaukee designs a Carpenter's tool pouch with 1680 denier ballistic nylon, a tunnel-style belt loop, and a carry handle to get the job done. Everybody who's worn tool bags knows the amazing feeling of taking them off at the end of the day. Milwaukee delivers with a tunnel-style belt loop that accommodates belts up to 3 inches wide. As a side note, never buy a tool pouch that clips on with a hook or a magnet. One way or another, the hook will find its way into your hip. The magnetic bag will inevitably snag on something. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.